guys! So last year, yung pagpunta namin dito sa Baguio, hindi namin napuntahan yung La Trinidad where the strawberry farm is situated. So ngayon, this is the day exactly na we're on our way to Benguet, the La Trinidad. Okay, so strawberry picking po tayo ang ating agenda for today. That is my first time to try picking strawberries sa mismo niyang vine. Ayan, pag early bird, early ka rin makakarating dahil walang traffic. So, I just arrived guys to the strawberry farm. Medyo mainit. Alas 8 pa po eh. Pero medyo mainit. Ayan.
Strawberry picking mo?
Yes, please.
700 isang kilo man po picking.
Yes. Alright guys, welcome to Benguet Strawberry Farm. Yes, as you can see, sobrang lawak talaga guys. As in, sobrang lawak. Tingnan nyo naman yan, oh. See, saan ka dyan? Ikaw ang pumwesto at ikaw ang pumili kung saan banda mo gustong mag-picking. So, mga 9 AM to guys, or 8, meron nang nagpipick. So, for that, enjoy nyo po muna yung aking pictures bago tayo mag-proceed sa talagang literal na picking. Na actually, nagpipick na ako niyan kasi diba nakakuha na nga ako. But, unahin ko lang muna tong aking mga flex sa mga strawberries na nakuha ko. And of course, myself. Kasi ang layo ng tripod guys. Sobrang kailangan kong i-angle kung saan ko ilalagay yung tripod para naman makukuha din ako ng pictures bago ako magkakaroon ng video sa aking mga pinanggagawa doon. And tingnan nyo guys ha kung ilan yung strawberries na nakain ko all throughout my strawberry picking journey. Kaya enjoy! Ang daming bunga ate! Ayan guys, so as you can see, kahit sa ang sulok po ng part na ito, strawberries lahat. Malamang strawberry farm nga, diba? So ayan si kuya, parang kanina pa ata yung umaga dyan nagpipik eh. Kasi this time is around 8 AM, papuntang 9. Medyo mainit na as you can see. Eh, syempre ako, naghahanap pa ako ng specific spot at pwesto ko na makapag-picking ako na comfortable. Let the picking begins. Ayan guys, so kit muna tayo. Ano po? Titingnan natin. Ayun, they're so very, very cute. Ayun. Medyo maliliit ang mga strawberries ngayon. I don't know. I have my first pick. See? Cute! So, ayan na nga guys. Here I am. The one that you love. Kidding. Joke lang guys. Anyways, so ayan na nga. Ini-enjoy ko na ang aking sarili na nagpipick ng strawberries right there. Even though babad na babad ako under the heat from the sun. But, you know, who gives a damn anyways. Basta ini-enjoy ko lang yan kasi yan talaga ang pinaka-highlight sa lahat ng gagawin ko dito sa Baguio for my 2 nights, 3 days stay. Right! Let's take a look at this. Oh guys, look how beautiful they are. There's just some of my harvest. Look at this. Okay, this is big. Okay, so see this? Yeah, you can see? Yeah. There's a big one. Okay, did you see this? Yeah, finally got this. Huh? Big. Ang init ah. See this? Nakita ba? Ito. Hindi ko alam if you can see. Ito. Ayun. Got this too. I'm going to eat this. You guys. Sarap. Matamis yun. Tamis. Fresh na fresh. They're small, but let's try and see kung talagang ito pinakamaliit. So, tignan lang natin kung matamis siya. Wow. Iba talaga ang fresh na pick. Ang fresh na pick. Iba talaga. Gosh. This one is one of the biggest. Wala pong hugas-hugas guys, pero it's fresh kasi kaya it's okay. Pagbigyan niyo na po ako. Sige, pang ilang tikim ko na to. Hulaan nyo, guys. Napaka-fresh. Fresh na fresh. You're right, guys, para makita nyo, okay? Yan. Okay. And then, one more. You see this? Okay. Here you go. There. Yeah, big, big. Big. This is big. Oh my gosh. I need the scissors. There you go. It's big. Okay. There you go. Yan. Move, move, move. You can see this? Okay. Picked. Baka mamaya ay... Ayan, see that? Picked it. Hindi pwede palang walang scissors. Oh, see that? Pick it. There you go. Check. Yes. Yum, yum, yum. Yeah. Guys, big. Oh no.